How to copy paste between the design in Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's get started with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva design. So I have opened the two designs side by side. You can see this is my first design and this is the second design. So let me show you. I will show you how you can copy paste or move the first the design from one Canva design to another. Okay, so go to the first design where you want to copy and go click on this grill view. Okay, so you can see your page. I have only one page here. In another, go to the second design now. From here you want to copy, same, go to the grill view. Okay, so here also I have one page. Okay, so what you need to do, let me make the duplicate of this page to show you proper. Okay, so I have 4 page in this design. So simply select that yeah, design or page which you want to copy. Right, click on this three dot option and copy it. Come here in your original design, just right click, just hit the Control plus V for Window and Command plus V for Mac to paste the design. So I have pasted the design here. You can simply drag to the right position. Okay, you can shelf that design to any other page number, like page. Okay, so if you want to copy multiple design or page, then select the first any design, then hit the shift key and hold it on keyboard. Select the another design like this. Now hit the Control plus V on keyboard to copy, sorry, Control plus C. Okay, let me select that all design, Control plus C. Okay, for the copy, come to the original one, and here you need to paste like Control plus V, and all design will be paste. Now you can shuffle this like this. Okay, you can change the position of this page number. After done, just disable this grill view, sorry. You can see the whole design here. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.